just realized that I'm heading down toward the area where I seen that creature in the tree that jumped up. So I said, I'm turning this thing back on. There's something up that way making a noise, but it's too thick to really send the drone in there. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but there's definitely something going on up there. Ow, I just about put my back up. Fuck. Not sure what it is. Look at this. That's broke to make that same exact thing down here. I need to find a way to send it up through there. Okay, now there's something to my right for sure. No doubt about that. There's something down there. So now I don't know if to send the drone down there or up there. Oh, you. Don't even start. Don't even start. Oh, shit. That stick, I stepped on that stick and it moved like a snake. Right there in front of me. I just lost about 10 years of my life, guys. Man. I figured it'd be too cold for snakes to. This is back in the area where I ran into that creature. The creature with the cloaking ability. As you can tell, the structures are getting familiar. I don't remember this many structures in here. I'm looking everywhere, guys. Trees, ground. I must end it straight up through there. Up around them rocks up there. See if anything takes off running. Guys, I'm just going to tag that video on the end of this one. So, I guess check out the drone footage. Alright guys, as you guys seen by now, the drone footage is just, I learned, guys. I learned from my mistakes. Now the problem was, by the time I got the drone to connect to my phone, by the time I got the signal to run everything, and finally got everything connected up to where I could record with the phone and fly it and operate it, I ran the battery dead. So I only had enough battery to make a couple passes up there, but I'll probably upload it just to show you guys what I'm working with, and I'll be more prepared next time out, next trip out. I'm gonna see if I can order a couple batteries, extra batteries, backup batteries for the drone. I definitely want to get it out there and get it on the move. It seemed like it got a real good picture. But now it's getting it juiced up and charged. And I forgot to change the batteries in the controller part of it. And I'm gonna get brand new batteries for that, and I'm gonna have the drone battery charged full, and then come back up out here. I'll be ready next time, guys. I'll play with it before I come out. It seemed like as soon as it started getting distance away from me, it lost signal, and it just kept doing its own thing until it crashed. But I'll get it figured out. As long as I kept it close, I could control it pretty good. It's just once it got away from me, and then it did its own thing. But anyways, I'm marching back down through here, guys. Kind of disappointed, but this is my mess up. I'll figure it out. It was my first flight. But check this out. That snapped and ran down into the ground down there. There's noises coming from down here, so I'm gonna check it out. I want to get Fred out here. He just had his baby though, so he's taking care of them things. I'm gonna get him out here. I want to get down in that cave. I want to get him and check that out. I want somebody to go with me to check it out. I definitely ain't going back in there by myself. Sound like they're working down there by the river. Backing up and trucks and everything. Making all this damn noise. As if I ain't making enough. But there's a lot of trees here up by the roots. Just laying. Another break up there, like back here. Let me check that mark out down there. See what that is down here. They must got that here so they can come down it. Use it as like a guide rail coming down these slippery leaves. Everything I can think of. They should have made it go all the way down. Ooh, these leaves are very slippery. There's a lot of trees that was brought here and thrown over. There's no stump for that one or this one down here. There's a few down there that's just thrown over with no place where they came from. Like one big brush pile they put here. How are they walking on this stuff? I just stepped on a print on a track. They're heavy to make that imprint down into deep into that dirt like that. Something up there cracking. I didn't see that. I really didn't until just now. Look at all that. Alright, Bigfoot World, I'm gonna slide out of here before I get myself in trouble. But definitely stay tuned for this next crazy ass adventure. Who knows what I'm gonna get into next, but you guys definitely know it'll be something. It's beautiful out here in the fall. Stay tuned, guys.
Talk to your hoes. Go talk to your hoes. I would. But I dropped them off for your dumbass. Then I put up to your house and there's a Benz in your driveway. Bitch, I drive a scooter. I'm trying to figure out who car that is.